Need carpet cleaning or upholstery done? Our range of professional cleaners have been chosen with you in mind. Our team of fully qualified professionals have years of experience and are waiting to meet your needs efficiently and quickly and with the highest level of dedication. Whatever your requirements, we can get it done quickly and with minimum fuss or inconvenience. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we'll maintain the highest level of customer care and service. All of our work is carried out to assured standards and will complete your needs, leaving you with amazing results. So please contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have about our company or our fast response services. Meeting your carpet cleaning and upholstery needs is our prime concern, so don't hesitate to get in contact with us.